Assalamualaikum and hi to doctor. My name is Sharifah Nur Nabila Balkis binti Said Abu Hassan and my matrix number is 23129123. And today I will show you the simulation of our first lab using the pure resistive load. So the resistor values is 200 ohm and this is the VAR meter. So now I will run the simulation result for first harmonic. So now here show the screen, show the waveform for our first harmonic. So from this waveform, we can see that the voltage and current are sinusoidal and perfectly in phase. This means that the current follows the voltage exactly without any delay. And so now I will show you the measurement. So from this result, we can see that the power factor is 1.0, which is ideal. It means that all the power is used for useful work and there is no reactive power. The THD of current at the first harmonic is very low, only 0.089%. This shows that the waveform is very clean with almost no distortion. And we can see that the VAR meter shows the measurement of reactive power, which is 0. And as for the third harmonics, the 150 Hz, the waveform begins to show more distortion and the THD increased to 539%. And this means that although the resistive load performs well at the first harmonic distortion becomes a problem at higher frequency, such as increase to third and fifth harmonic. That's it. Thank you, Doctor.